Well, I got a bunch of little projects I'm working on today at the General. I've had this crappy season 1 dash. It's going in KITT. It's gonna just be what you see. What I'm gonna do, I cleaned it up, give it another clean. I'm gonna spray paint it satin black. It ain't nothing fancy. I think it's an early Lewisell, like a 90s dash. I mean, it's just so. This was before they had any mold or actual parts to mold off of, but it's going to go in KITT just as it is. I'm not going to put any electronics, obviously. I do have some overlays I may stick in there. Also, had to have that bent because it didn't fit in the frame. It's aftermarket. So I'm trying to, it's still a little off. I got some spacers I'm drilling out. I can put the panel back on. But this is one of my things I'm doing today. This will be a separate video, but air tank, I'm going to use the factory. There's the other one. The box that was on here, it's going to get some angle iron. I need some 2-foot pieces, two 2-footers, so 48 cut it. I got some U-bolts so I can mount the tank. I got to put the air tank back up, but got me a parts washer. Picked this up, 50 bucks. Got a jug of cleaner. I cleaned one of the brackets. I got some nuts and bolts. Probably clean them a little better, but that's a bracket that mounts the one of the tanks. If you remember, this truck had that other battery box that was sitting back, and it had an air tank that sat right in here. It was leaking really bad. I have this tank that's going to go down. It'll hang down just below the frame rail, over wherever I gotta make it. But that bracket, where is it? That bracket mounted up here, and it held that tank right there. That's an air dryer. I probably need to figure out what it is and replace it while I'm down here. But anyway, what else am I doing that I was going to show you? Oh, heck, I don't even know. Yeah, well, that's about it. I'll have a separate video on this battery box once I get to it. I'm hoping for a will it start later on that other truck. But when I get this dash painted, I'll show you putting it in the car. Just sit in there. But anyway, that's it. We'll be back. Got stuff to do.